video, we're going to take a quick look at the reports feature. So a report is every time you analyze a influencer account, it will cost you one report. Now, at the top of the right hand side of the screen, you can see where it says, I have 7 reports left. This will tell you how many you have. And to the right of that is a button that says need more. So clicking on that simply brings up the top up menu. And here you will see we have 1 report for $5 US, we have 10 reports for $39 US, or we have 50 reports for $99 US. Now, if you were to need a bespoke amount, you can simply click on the contact us and put the amount in there, and we will get back to you with a cost. So what uses a report? So let's take a quick look at the dashboard. Type in a influencer's name. We're going to open up one of the profiles that it brings up. So let's take this one here. As you can see now on the top right hand side, it says analyze for 1 report. Now that report will unlock all of the information on this influencer's profile. So clicking analyze for 1 report will take a couple of minutes and the analytics will appear. As you can see now, 1 report has been taken away from my reports.